Hi guys, this is me ZOE. Today we're gonna make cookies for Santa Claus. And the first thing you need to do before you cook, wash your hands. Because you know why we need to wash our hands? Because the bacteria is everywhere. So that's why we need to wash our hands. For our ingredients is warm butter, white sugar, brown sugar, egg, vanilla extra, salt, baking powder, flour, and chocolate chips, my favorite part of the day. So we need butter. Sugar. First mix the butter and sugar. Swirl it around. Yeah, brown sugar. Go it. That's fine. We can get a shower. So mix the brown sugar with the butter and white sugar. Egg time. Whoop. See that butter? I mean mixture. Mix that up. Now we need vanilla extra. Mix it for a long time. Till it gets brown. Almost brown. Now we need baking powder. Mix it up. Look on my balance so far. Now we need salt. Look at my batter. Now we need the family stuff we need. Mix it up. Put it in. Put this here for it's close. Now mix it up. Turn it brown. That's my batter. Look at my batter. Here it is. The batter. It's ZOE's French time! French for cookies is biscuit, and I'm making biscuit for Père Noël. Le Père Noël aime les biscuits. Pour le Père Noël aime les biscuits. French for Alfred is le king. French for Christmas hat is chapeau pour le Père Noël. What's a Christmas stocking for French? It is buttermilk. Whoa, look at the worm. Now, till it turns fabulous, turns all brown, to break it off, you can put chocolate chips in. My it for cooking. And ask the dog for help. Cook, mix, break, and dip. Almost done with our mixture. Well, better. Super satisfying. This bun is super strong. Now spray around. Now mix it up. When it's super sweet, you can put more chocolate chips in. Like and subscribe my video with all of my videos already. My batter so far. So when you still mix it, for chocolate chips can go. And wash hands. Get a scooper, parchment paper inside put the cookie dough inside the parchment paper. Scoop it. Whoa, that's big. First scoop. That's a nice one, right? This one's nice, this one's nice. There, 12, 10, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're set cookie dough, so now we're going to flatten them. Not too harden, just like that. Slowly down. Not put it too hard. There. We're going to bake this in the oven for 20 minutes. First, we're going to try this cookie. Ooh, milk. We have some card for Santa Claus. And here's Santa Claus. Hey, Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everyone. Santa Claus ate all of the cookies I gave him. So he's only eat the last one, so I'm going to eat it.